Alright, y'all boys finna watch this. This jump funny right here. Oh, 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 wait. Gotta run it back. Oh, okay. Look at that bit. Look at that bit. Come here. Come, come, come here. Oh, rewind. What happened to them boys, right? What? Can you see me now? Broke. Oh, come here. Blockers. Oh, spray. Why that boy thought he was gonna catch me? Why that boy? Oh, run it. Why that boy thought he was gonna? Boy, you not right. You not right. Boy, you thought you was gonna catch? That's the that's the that's the bees. That's the come get some. Why you thought you was gonna catch me? What? Julius Peppers. Why you thought you was gonna catch? Why you thought you was gonna? Oh no! Oh oh no! Come here. Bye bye. Cleared it on your the 10, the 20, the 5. Touchdown on your squares.